Hey guys, and I bought the timer again. So this is another one. I already bought one of these before and it worked great. So I've only had it for a year. So I will be doing a long-term review later on, but so far I can tell you that I bought this from before. It works, it's still working. You can set this up to turn on once it's dark outside and then just set it to be on for 8 hours, 6 hours or less, or just to be turned on the whole night until the morning. So once you sense it's light, turns off. So this does come in a package with one of these. These are standard. These are really cheap if you can get them from dollar store. Not the same brand obviously, but these are for indoor. This one's the outdoor one. Indoor, you just set the timer and don't really have a use for that one, but it came in the package, so might as well. There's not much information around the package that I can show you. However, we're gonna take this out and take a look at it. Anyways, here's exactly what we get inside the box. That's it. You guys get these two plus manuals, which I can tell you right away how to use this. So here's the sensor. The sensor's on the top, and that's how it knows when it's light and when there isn't light outside, and then it turns on. So I can just put it there to just turn on the whole night and turn off in the morning. Or I can set it up for 8 hours, so it turns on automatically once it senses that there's no light outside, so nighttime, and it runs for 8 hours and then turns off. Or you do have the option here to just turn it off or on. So if you want to test out your lights, this is working, do that. For me, I'm gonna set it up for 8 hours because all my other lights are set up like that. I'm gonna put this outside and that's it. There's not much to it. I can tell you that this looks thick, and I think they should have made it a little bit longer. It is a little short, but for some of you that could work really, really well. For me, it's okay-ish. And we do have two plugs, which I think, same deal, they should have been a little bit more spread apart. But other than that, no complaints. This right here is pretty standard. This is for indoor use only, so the other one's outdoor. And I don't like the fact that it's way too standard. It should have been a little bit better than what it is right now. And the setup's pretty standard with the dollar store ones that you guys might have seen. But yeah, the big difference between these two is that this one's for outdoor. This one has grounding, this one has no ground, as you guys may notice. Anyways, that would be it for this extremely quick unboxing. However, make sure to watch the review of this product, which again, I can tell you guys already, I had my other one for a year. It's been working fine, no complaints so far. We'll see if anything happens down the line. But just ask me away in the comments area if you guys have any questions about this, even about the review itself. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.